Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach class 1 English chapter 3, and the name of the chapter is Please, Thank You and Pardon Me. Please, thank you and pardon me is a magical words, or we can say it is a polite words for you and me. Please, thank you and pardon me is a poem. It is a poem about politeness. Your teacher and parents must have taught you about manners. Manners are very important if we want to lead a good life. They help us live peacefully and happily with our friends, classmates, family, and neighbors. The words mentioned in this poem help us to be polite and have good manners. Read on to learn more. Please, thank you, and pardon me are such nice words to say to teacher and to little friends for what they do each day. Please, I need some crayons now. I thank you if I may. And pardon me, I did not hear. What is that you say? Please, thank you, and pardon me are such nice words to say. Try them once and try them twice. You will like to talk that way. Pardon. Please, thank you, and pardon me. Pardon is the another way of saying sorry. Pardon is the another way of saying sorry. When we use these words, please, when we ask for something, then we use this word please. And when we use this word thank you, when someone helps us or someone gives us something, then we should say thank you. And pardon me. Pardon means it is another way of saying sorry. And when we use the word sorry, when we do something wrong and when we hurt someone or when we do some mistakes, then we say sorry. Okay, these are the nice words which are used to say to our teachers and to our little friends. If you want to your friend's crayon, then you use the word please. Please, I need some crayons. And if he had given you his crayons, then what do you say? You say thank you. And when do you use pardon me? If you did not hear his voice, then you say pardon me. Please, thank you, and pardon me are such a nice words to say. These words are very nice words. Try them once, try them twice. You will like to talk that way. These words we should try to talk once or twice in a day. Once means one, twice means two times. Twice means two times. So these words are magical words or polite words which we are used to in our daily life. Okay. Now this poem is over. Come to exercise. Complete these sentences. Please, pardon me, and thank you are polite words to use. Polite. Polite. Number 2. We can say these three words to little friends and to the teachers. Little friends and to the teachers. Choose the correct answer. Put a tick mark. We say please. We ask for something. We say please when we ask for something. We say pardon me when we want to say sorry. We say pardon me when we want to say sorry. We say thank you when someone help us. We say thank you when someone help us. Come to this page. Match these words with their pictures. Running. So match here. He is running. Skipping. Match here. She is skipping. Reading. Match here. She is reading. Swimming. Match here. In this picture, he is swimming. Riding. They are riding. Cooking. She is cooking, so match here. The pictures given below show people doing things. Write each doing word under the correct picture. One has been done for you. Here are some words have given. You will use these words and write down here. Teach. Play. They are playing. So write play. P-L-A-Y, play. Give. She is giving something. So write here give. G-I-V-E, give. Dance. She is dancing. Dance. D-A-N-C-E, dance. Write here dance. They are jumping. So write here jump. J-U-M-P, jump. J-U-M-P, jump. Look at the pictures and listen to what is being said. Find out when the words please, thank you, may, I and sorry are used. Number 1. Auntie, can you please tell me the way to the market? Write it here, please. P-L-E-A-S-E, please. Number 2. May I come with you to the market? Write here, may I. May I. Number 3. I am sorry, I could not finish my homework. Sorry, write it here, sorry. S-O-R-R-Y, sorry. Number 4. Thank you for carrying the books. Thank you for carrying the books. Write it here, thank you. Okay, students. Now, you will write this poem in your classwork copy. Write carefully and learn it. And also, whatever the PDF you are getting, you must write in your copy, classwork copy, and also learn it. Thank you.